3, 2, 1, start. The idea of justice is most important, linked to the underlying presumption that justice is synonymous with the idea of equal rights and opportunities and to get fair treatment. Justice is the quality that ensures that each person receives their rightful compensation in opposed to any violation or harm. Justice means to give each and every person what they deserve. Justice means the standard of rightfulness. By standard of rightfulness, one means to say that the minimum threshold should be applicable of what will amount to right or wrong. Justice can also be understood as the correct application of law as opposed to arbitrariness. A society cannot exist without the presence of justice, which is one of the most important pillars of any nation. Justice can be attained in the society only by correct interpretation and implementation of laws. The perception of the concept of justice may change over time in every society. This can lead to differences in social and physical systems. My aim is to focus on philosophical and social interpretation of justice in India and the changes in the definition of justice that have taken place in this society during different periods of time and what justice means in today's date. The idea of justice is so ancient that everything has been said about it, and at the same time, it is so modern that it constitutes an ever changing context of contemporary society. From this perspective, we may say that justice has a traditional meaning and has also acquired a more technical and complex meaning in modern times. Traditionally, justice was seen as a moral virtue of character as well as an important and desirable attribute that a political society requires. Justice is giving to each person his due. Justice in this sense involves the fair, equal, and moral, impartial treatment of all. In a simple sense, therefore, justice traditionally means ensuring that fair results are produced and each person duly receives what he is entitled to. When we look at the modern view of justice in the context of a legal system, natural justice is built on the legal rules and their observance becomes compulsory in the realization of justice. Justice dispensed in accordance with such legal rules is legal justice. The law determines what a person is entitled to and also lays down the circumstances in which he can stake his claim to such entitlement. A person so entitled or having a claim is said to be a right holder. Another who has a corresponding duty to recognize and respect the right of its holder is referred to as the duty bearer. Where the law confers rights, justice is achieved when rights are enforced in accordance with the law. Where the right of another is not respected, it amounts to the violation of the right of the former. In case of a violation of his right, the right holder would be caused an injustice. This means that For justice to be realized, the right holder would require a remedy, and this remedy is provided by the courts. Hence, the existence of a remedy is crucial to the enjoyment of a right conferred by the law, as without a remedy, the enjoyment of the right becomes meaningless. According to the modern view, justice is about translating the right into action.